Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to use Facebook and Instagram ads and how to make your website reachable to from any platform. Here, Facebook and Instagram advertisements. You will get a paid as you pay, so your website can be shown on Facebook and Instagram ads. So reach the right audience on Facebook and Instagram. You can start it manually or you can get to know with artificial intelligence that will get your website to the audience. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.